Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing sod installation for a client. This is a rental property. We've already came and we've actually prepped. So we've already put the topsoil down, we've sprayed it, mowed it down to 1 inch, and everything is already ready for installation. We've installed mulch. We've also trimmed the shrubs. So we're gonna get started today and we're gonna show you. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, so when you're laying sod, make sure you lay it like you're laying tiles or bricks. That way you prevent gaps. So you want to make sure that you wear long sleeve gloves. Alright, wear your protective gear, eye pro. Therefore these sod pieces do come with a lot of bugs, ants, and stuff like that. So you want to make sure your skin is protected. You want to make sure you fill in all your gaps. There's a gap right here. We're going to fill this in. Alright, make sure there's no gaps. Oh yeah, and make sure you don't cover the sprinklers. So that's it. It's going to take us probably about another hour or so. But yeah, make sure you do those steps. Therefore, it will prevent any form of fungus. It will prevent the sod from dying out.
All right, so for those who keep asking, why didn't we not apply a lot of topsoil on the turf when we was prepping? Well, this is why. In Florida, the sod comes with a thick root system with a lot of topsoil. So we normally just put just enough topsoil to cover the bad soil. Therefore, when it germinates, it's germinating on healthy soil. So you don't need to cover it with a whole bunch of topsoil like you guys do in the Midwest. Down here in Florida, we're blessed to have our grass coming in with thick layers.